Pet insurance versus multi-pet versus breed-specific versus lifetime. Which one is better for long-term care? If you've ever faced an unexpected vet bill, you know how fast pet care costs can climb. Most people think basic pet insurance is enough, but the truth is not all policies protect your furry friend for life. So let's break down the difference between standard pet insurance, multi-pet, breed-specific and lifetime cover to find out which one truly gives the best long-term care. First, standard pet insurance. This covers your pet for accidents and short-term illnesses. It's the most affordable option, but usually resets each year. That means if your pet develops a chronic condition like arthritis or diabetes, it might not be covered when you renew. It's great for emergencies, but not for lifelong conditions. Next, multi-pet insurance. This is designed for households with more than one animal: dogs, cats, even rabbits. Instead of juggling multiple policies, you get one plan that covers them all, often with a discount. It's convenient and cost-effective, but coverage levels can vary per pet. If one has ongoing medical issues, make sure it's not underinsured. Now, breed-specific insurance. This type focuses on the unique health risks of certain breeds. For example, French bulldogs and pugs are prone to respiratory issues, while Labradors often face hip problems. A breed-specific plan tailors coverage for those common conditions. It's more personalized, but it can be pricier, especially for breeds with known genetic risks. Finally, lifetime pet insurance, the premium choice for long-term care. This policy renews coverage for chronic and recurring conditions every year, as long as you keep it active. It's ideal for pets with ongoing health needs and provides the most comprehensive peace of mind. So, which is better? For true long-term protection, lifetime insurance wins hands down. It ensures your pet is covered no matter how old they get or what conditions arise. Because let's face it, pets aren't just animals. They're family. And when it comes to family, choosing the right insurance means choosing care that lasts a lifetime.